Lincoln Premium Connectivity brings convenience to the road by letting you stream your favorite music, podcasts, audiobooks, and more right to your vehicle, enabling you and your passengers to stay connected to your lives while on the go. And by signing in with your Google account, you unlock a seamless experience across all your devices. Lincoln Premium Connectivity comes standard with a 4-year complimentary trial and enables premium features for Google Maps so you can enjoy flash briefings, games, streaming music, and more. Google Maps with premium connectivity provides live traffic and automatic rerouting that's conveniently integrated into the instrument cluster, keeping your eyes up and looking out. Easily find businesses, restaurants, and attractions with globally sourced real-time data from Google. Lincoln Premium Connectivity also features hands-free help from Google Assistant, allowing you to control media, calendars, smart home devices, and more using just your voice. Plus, you can download apps on Google Play, including weather, games, videos, movies, navigation, music streaming, parking, and more. Now, your vehicle must be in park for streaming videos and gaming. To access connected services, download the Lincoln app and add your VIN and activate your vehicle's modem on your center touchscreen. To view your connected services, sign in to your My Lincoln account on Lincoln.com, select Dashboard, select View Vehicle Details, then scroll down and select the Connected Services quick link. Alternatively, you can open your Lincoln app, select the account icon, and then Connected Services. Now, to renew your connected services once your trial has ended, follow the same steps and then select a specific connected service to renew your service plan. Thanks for watching.